Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to view your Coinbase transaction history. Alright, if you've been wondering how to view your Coinbase transaction history, this video is for you. I'm gonna give you a quick step-by-step guide on how to get that done. So it's gonna be a quick video, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website with your computer. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the accounts tab. Now there you're going to select the wallet or account, and then you're going to click on transaction history. And now you're going to view the list of transactions, and you can filter transactions by date, type, or by status, just to make things a bit more organized. And if you need to, you can export the transaction history and view that off Coinbase. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to view your Coinbase transaction history. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.